Figueroa. All the way. Oh, rebound. Jamia.
Sundot. Up, foul.
Warning for double teaming.
Double team.
Guys, man to man, find your players. No zone, no screen. Still, jersey number 11, all the way. Timothy, dribbling the ball. Timothy, skip to the bench. Foul jersey number 10.
Naka, Jacob.
First personal foul, first team foul, and penalty. Ball shot by Timothy, no. Who is the rebound? Timothy. Timothy all the way. Yes, sir.
Galing ni Timothy
Down.
ah.
I look at your players. Find your man. Jersey number 11 escaped the defense. It's rebound. Last touch by jersey number 11. Timothy. Harassing by wearing jersey number 2. Timothy. Dribbling the ball. All the way. Timothy. Timothy. Good defense for jersey number 2. A block.
Black.
Manjebo, pass to Jamia.
Ano yan? Grabe, double D-ball.
Okay, pass to the referee. Well, okay, let's go. Find your players. Who is your buddy? Our score, 6-2. Jersey number 21. Harassing by Manjebo. Jersey number 21. Proper inbound. Be careful on the line. Find your players. Infinity, who's your guarding? Go to your man. Timothy, all the way. We have a whistle. Foul jersey number. Anong nahuli sino? Jersey number 2. Hit. Jersey number 2, that was first personal foul, second team foul. Two shot by Timothy. Sorry, miss. Split by Timothy. Manjebo.
Taas ka ba?
Take the shot.
Nice one. Jersey number 11. Go.
Jersey number 11. Hey, we have a whistle. Foul by jersey number 29, Jamia. First personal foul, first team foul. RTM Bowlers.
Dali. Yan.
Jersey number 11. Take the shot from the long to no. Rebound, jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, no.
Dali.
Nice one, Miss Buddy.
Dali.
Jersey 2. Ay, wait. Pasarel pa lang 1, 2010. Pasarel to, pasarel. Find your players. Give it to the man. Look at your go to your man. No rebound. Jacob. No rebound by last touch by Rioj.
Pasensya na po, sir. Sorry. Candy.
Dali. Go, Jacob!
Jersey number 10. No
sayang.
rebound by.
Dali.
It's a double rebound. Okay, yung pong shot clock natin is 30 seconds per this category. Ang half court natin, 15.
Ayan na.
Jersey number 7! Canal RTM Road to Fitness.
Match yan, match. Dali. Go, Daniel! Nice one. Ay, sayang. Ang cute, ang lilit.
Jersey number 10. All the way. No rebound. Jersey number 23. Put back. Go. Jersey number 2. Put back. Go. Jersey number 77. Out of bounds.
Wala
In
pa
favor
rin.
of RTM.
Dami na. Hindi pa gising. Matulog pa to. Oh, yan na. Ingat sa foul.
Now rebound by Timothy. Go to your man.
Dali. Jambon. Ay.
Timothy. 15 seconds to shoot.
Dali.
Divine. 5.
4, 3. Galing.
Good shot by Timothy. Go to your man. Steal. Ay, steal. Kala ko steal.
Ay.
It's a traveling.
Grabe na yun. Nag-step siya eh. Galing na mga bata.
Wait. Find your players. Go to your man all the time. Go to your man.
Oh, dali.
Timothy
Yan na.
loses the Infinity ball.
Last pass.
Infinity. Go there, man. Go there, man. Jersey number 2.
Dali, 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 dali!
Jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Escape the defense. Rebound. Jersey number 23.
Go!
Arasing by Timothy. Jersey number 23. Go. Rebound. Jersey number 23. Yes, sir. Yes, people. Okay, let's go. Second to play. Find your players. Find your players. No double team.
No double team.
Find your man. Good. Time out. RTM. Almost. Atras na konti. Rings, no. Put back, Kanyemong, no. Good. Good. Timothy.
Ang galing.
Timothy.
Oo, no foul.
Bounce. Timothy, time na laser. 12 seconds remaining for the first period. 12 seconds remaining.
Jacob! 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 Water mo mamaya. Dali!
5.
No double team!
Time.
Nice. Go Daniel! Yes! Nice, nice, nice! Ay!
You hold it. Power in jersey number 2. Manyebong. Stay, almost. Divine. Divine, dribbling the ball. Divine, all the way. Sorry, miss. Rebound, Divine again. Sige. Yan ang nakakatuwa sa mga bata. Okay lang yan. Sige. Hindi tayo masyadong naipit sa ganyan. Huwag lang yung...
Ay! It's okay, Romark. It's okay.
Bigyan natin ng konting pagkasiyahan ng mga bata.
Bawal, bawal. Bawal, bawal. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, Manyebong. Pass to Timothy. Timothy loses the handle. Okay, let's go. Find your players, okay? Jersey number 21.
Go,
Jersey
Gian!
number 21. Jersey number 21. Divine. Divine. All the way. Pass to Jamil. Jersey number 11. Harassing by Jamia. Jersey number 11 behind the back. Up. Warning.
Double team.
Sound yun ah. Warning for double team. Both teams. You have warning already. Both teams. No double team. No zone and no screen. Man to man. Divine, go to your man. No rebound. Jersey number 11. No. Jersey number 2. Is jersey number Jersey number 21 for the rebound. No rebound. Ay. Out of bounds in favor of Infinity. Oh! Sorry, miss. Rebound. Nathaniel. White ball. Nathaniel. Nathaniel. No rebound by Jamila. Still by wearing jersey number 2. Okay, kalitungkungan yan. Andyan sila lahat eh. Kasi andyan sila lahat. Oh!
Double team.
Oh, ngayon. Technical. Go to your man. Go to your man. Behind the 3-point area, all of you. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Find your man, find your man. Infinity, go to your man. No double, no screen, no zone. You have technical already. Also, RTF, you have warning already. Timothy, no. Rebound to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 0 runner. Layup! Yes! Is there jersey number 23? The jersey number 3. Timothy. Timothy, all the way. Help the coach, help. Pag naiwan yung isa, pwede mag-help. Oh, jump ball. Dito tayo, same ball. Help yun, coach, help.
Nice one. Dali! Go, 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 go. Dali, dali,
Jersey
dali.
number 21.
Go, 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 go.
Jersey number 21. Oh! Escape the defense! Oh! Jersey number 21 again. Oh! Itinalikan na. Bahala kayo dyan. Nathaniel! No! Reward by Diman. Hindi mo magpalit. Jamia! Jamia! We have a whistle. O, saan tayo? Saan? Saan? Who is stay? Palit si Rioch. Sinong mananan kung papasok? Bahala kayo. Infinity, get ready for the rebound. Let's go, let's go. Infinity, who is... Sino may iwan? Naiwan si jersey number 2. Malalabas ba? Ay, ito. Yung number... Makoy, Makoy. Who is Makoy? Makoy. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Jamia, pangalawa. Yes, sir. Sub. Jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. Stephen on the gas. Service. Rebound by jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 behind the back. All the way. Isolation. Biglang Nathaniel. Oy! Infinity ball. Find your players. Jersey number 07, stop and shot. No, rebound. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 07, first. Jersey number 2, steal. Jersey number 2, all the way. It's a big block from wearing jersey number 15, Panyebog. Nag-flex pa. Naalala mo yung kay coach ninyo eh. Nag-flex, biglang nag-kiss na, nag-rams. Jersey number 23. Basket count. Foul jersey number 15, Panyebog. Okay, let's go. Only bonus. Bonus shot for wearing jersey number 23. Rebound. Completed. 8-point lead. Almost. Good matchup by Rion and jersey number 23. Panyebog, harassing by wearing jersey number 10. Jersey number, we have a whistle. Foul wearing jersey number 10. 13 foul. All the way. Rebound by Timothy, stepping on the glass. Timothy using the glass for 2. Jersey number 23, yes sir. Loses the handle. Jersey number 2. Second block for wearing jersey number 15, Panyebog. Second to play. No rebound. Jersey number 23 scores. No rebound. Jersey number 10. Shot clock is dead. 28 seconds remain for the second period. Manyebog. Loses na. Rioch. Win! Ako Wilson. Foul jersey number 23, Small. 15 seconds remaining for the second period. Rioch.
Score 25-15. Score 25-15.
Okay po.
Thank you.
Rioch for the second shot. Yes, sir! 15. 10. All the way! Yes, sir, for 2. 5. 5. And to the second period. Up, 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 up!
Ay, Ethan! Ethan! Ito tayo.
Diban, 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 diban!
Here, yeah.
Shot,
Quick,
shot
quick,
naman!
quick.
Yes, sir!
Yeah.
No rebound by jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, pass to jersey number 21. Take a shot, no rebound, jersey number 10. Behind the back. No rebound by Timothy. Timothy.
Ay, naku.
Moreno. No. Injury. Okay, sub.
Nak, pass mo nak pag open.
Nathaniel, out of bounds. Miscommunication.
Yan.
No. Put back. No rebound by Nathaniel. Nathaniel all around. Yes, sir. Blue. Timothy. It's a block. Manyero, no rebound. Jersey number 23, big. Jersey number 10. Oh! It's a
It's okay.
run.
It's okay na.
Oy! Sorry, miss by Rioch. Jersey number 10 receiving the ball. Jersey number 10 behind the back. Harassing by Manyebo. Jersey number 10. Sorry, miss. Rebound by jersey number 11. No! Manibor na rebound. Timothy. Zigzagging. Stop and shot. No! Rebound by jersey number 10 receiving the ball. Jersey number 10 all the way. Yes, sir. Stop. Yes. Nako, wala yata. You can play, Jamiya. Sam. Jamiya,
Jambol.
white ball. Listen to your Lola.
Up.
We have warning already. We have warning.
Ay, sayang.
Nathaniel, all good. No rebound by Manyebog. You have 3 full team for 1 offense. That's why technical. Manyebog take the shot. Okay. Yes, sir! Pasok! Time out! RDM! 12! Nathaniel, we have a whistle from behind. Who is the foul rep? Foul wearing jersey number 2. Hip wearing jersey number 2. That was second. Two free throw for Nathaniel. No service. Take the shot. No!
Ay, sayang.
Jamia.
Ay! Ay! Ay!
Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 2. No rebound. Manyebog. Steal by wearing jersey number 77. Foul still. Foul wearing jersey number 2. Holding foul. Jersey number 2, that was third. Personal foul. Oh yeah, they have third already, okay? Be careful. Timothy. Jamia. Pass to Timothy. Timothy. Okay, let's go. Find your players. Find your player. Who is your body? Nathaniel! Oh! Rebound! Jersey number 11, rather. Baseball pass for jersey number 21. Take the shot! Jersey number 21. Rebound! Who's the rebound? Sige, sama-sama. Okay, no more gaming. I told you. You have technical. Coach, who will take the shot? Timothy, take the shot. Timothy, take the shot. Okay, let's go. Timothy. Okay, inbound. Maka, dito tayo sa back. Iyan nangyari sa... Okay, let's go! Inbound, intercepted by jersey number 11. Quick hand, jersey number 11. Block by Jamia, jersey number 77. No! Rebound, jersey number 2. Jersey number 2! No! Lumalaban, Artem! Grabe yung mga laban ng mga bata. Ang cute. Artem. Okay, let's go. Seconds to play. Grabe, dumatay. Dito naman tayo sa Infinity. Infinity the ball, Infinity. Jersey number 21 inbounding the ball. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 all the way. No, rebound. All the way. Yes, sir. 20 seconds. Jersey number 2. Grabe yung mga hasil ng mga bata. Basket? No doubt. Go to your man, go to your man. What is the whistle? Line. Infinity ball, infinity. Jersey number 21 receiving the ball, still by Manyebog. Good. Jersey number 10. Yes, sir. Nathaniel. Rebound, jersey number 23. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. We have a whistle. Power jersey number 15, Manyebog. First personal, first team.
Daniel, rebound.
Daniel, rebound.
Rebound. Nice. Sarap.
Okay. Jersey, behind the 3-point area. Rios, jersey number 21, jersey number 0. Behind the 3-point area. Okay, let's go. Wala na po tayong pasarel. Decision of the coach na. 10 minutes remaining. Divine for the rebound. Divine. Divine. Pass to Manyebog. Manyebog ang kakaldag. Nathaniel. Rios. Ay, sayang. Sige. Line. Gustong makaldag kaso babae na nakita eh. So, hindi nakaldag eh. Okay, let's go. Nakakatuwa yung mga players. Receiving by Timothy out of bounds in favor of Infinity. Let's go.
Lagi na natatanggal yung tali na yan.
Jersey number 0 receiving the ball all the way. Service rebound. Jersey number 21.
Yes! Nakagaling ni Gian.
Yes, sir. Timeout. RTM.
Ay, hindi tayo.
Road. Nathaniel. All the way. Sorry, miss. Rebound. Manyebog. Put back. Boom. Rebound by jersey number 23. Small. Out of bounds.
23 small.
In favor of jersey number
Go, go, Daniel. Go.
23.
All the way.
All the way.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good. Up to 15-point lead.
Oy, oy.
Foul jersey number 10.
Nasa nabatet niya.
Third personal foul.
Sorry.
First team foul. Third personal foul. First team foul. Manyebog.
Defense.
Manyebog.
Defense.
Pass to Rios. Rios. We. Nagulat. Foul jersey number 23. Small.
Ano?
Yes, sir!
Silang eh.
We have a whistle.
Ay, sayang. Ano ba yan? Nakapagpahinga na.
Riyadh! Oh, sorry, miss.
Ang galing.
Stay by Riyadh.
Galing.
To Jamia. Jamia, no rebound. Panjabog. Oy. It's okay. Oh, jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. That was fourth personal foul. Stop.
Dali, dali, dali.
Still by Jamia. We have a whistle.
Are you okay?
Stop, stop. Jacob, Jacob, who is Jacob? Jacob, Jacob, who is Jacob? Ayaw eh.
Daniel. Defense, ha? Timothy. Defense.
Dali, 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 dali.
Go, Daniel.
Go, Daniel. Go.
Jersey number
Go, go, go,
23.
go. Yes.
Lady. Timothy, pass to Tibay.
Defense!
Yamiya. 2 shot.
Wala pa rin ba ito?
Time out. Infinity.
First time na nag-time out ka. Grabe ka, nag-time out ka pa.
Good shot by Yamiya. Steal by Riyadh. Oh, rebound Yamiya. Pass to Manjebog. Manjebog. Yes, sir. Your turn, 23. Out of bounds. Okay, let's go. It's still by Riyadh. Riyadh. No, rebound Manjebog. Okay, we additional more 3 minutes. We additional 3 minutes for more para sa mga bata.
May additional.
3 minutes more additional.
Nag-additional ng 3 minutes.
Nathaniel, no rebound. Oy, out of bounds.
Nag-enjoy ang mga bata eh. 3 minutes additional.
Ay! Sorry na, sorry. Sorry daw, sorry. It's okay. Yamiya. No rebound. Manjebog. Pass to Timothy. Timothy. No. Good. Penalty.
Double team.
Penalty. Penalty, both teams.
Shoot!
Okay. Good shot for wearing jersey number 23. Okay, si Mama. Andiyan na.
One! Sayang! One more! One
Patigyan niyo ng
more!
konti. Dito po kayo konti. Closer kayo.
One
Yan.
more!
Para kitang-kita. Okay.
Good!
Good job! Proud parents na. May bagong sapatos na yan. Yung shoot na yun. Bagong sapatos yun. Yun ang kaligayahan ng mga parents. Jamia! Jamia! We have a whistle. Power wearing jersey number 11. Penalty. Jamia using the gloves. Yes, sir.
One more daw, one more.
Nawala ang pagtuktok. Yes, sir! Number 2. 3 minutes. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 15, Manyemov. Manyemov to Timothy. Timothy.
Defense.
Pass to Nathaniel. Nathaniel, zigzagging. Nathaniel. Go! Limon. Jersey number 23. Okay yan, sige.
Ay!
Jersey number 10.
Go! Dali! Ay!
Rebound by Jamia. 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 No! Rebound by Riyad. Riyad. No! Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Penalty. No! Rebound. Out of bounds. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Okay, let's go. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, zigzagging. Harassing by Manyemo. Jersey number 10, escape the defense. Pass to jersey number 10. Penalty. Jersey number 15. Okay, two shots again. Baba ulit si Mama.
Baba!
Isinusog na lang. Okay, two shot.
Oh, shoot! Wow!
Pasok, pasok, pasok. O sige, pasok, pasok. Ayaw na naman. Ayaw talaga. Ayaw lumabas. Okay, let's go. No, rebound.
Go, 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 go! Shoot, shoot, shoot! Pass, pass!
Jump ball. Save ball. Save ball. Okay, sige coach. Save ball tayo, save ball. Okay, let's go. Jersey number 10. Oh, dear. Oh. Let's go, let's go. Okay, find your players. Go is your man, go to your man, go to your man. Okay, let's go. Let's go. It's still. It's still. Sige, okay lang yan. Asay. Dito tayo sa RTM. RTM Paul, RTM. RTM Paul. Ang kukit ng mga bata. Okay, let's go. Good. Jersey number 15. Oh! Siya ang pumartag, siya ang pumagsik. Si kay Manyebo, kinaldag, kaso tumalbog. Hindi kinayang kinaldag. Manyebo! Ay! Sorry. Yes, sir! Okay, now find your players. Jersey number 21. All the way! Rebound by Manyebo.
Up!
We
Foul.
have a whistle. Penalty. Are you okay, Kuya? Are you okay? It's okay.
Dapat hindi.
Manyebo.
Shoot!
No. We have a whistle.
Ayan, one more.
Yes, sir.